Why does your scanner show the P0511 engine code? What does it mean? P0511 is a diagnostic trouble code for idle air control circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that the responsible for regulating engine idle speed by controlling the amount of air bypassing the throttle body when the accelerator pedal is not pressed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty idle air control valve, vacuum leaks, throttle body issues, wiring or PCM problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford models like the Taurus, Escape, Focus, and Ranger. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.